Hi there, YouTubers. I'm coming to you guys with the rice, cucumber, eggs, and sausage mukbang. I just felt like this again, and I felt like Blove sauce in some eggs. My Blove sauce is right here. You set it right here. Wait, I have a Coke to drink. Let me go grab it. Alright, you guys. I don't know if I should put these in or not. I think I might. I don't know. Not right now. But let's get started. Okay, bless the food. Let's get in. Would you guys like the first bite? So with the first bite, I'm gonna just grab a little Blove sauce and put it on top of the rice and dip this one into the Blove sauce. You can have a bite of this, and I can have a bite of this. And my butt, you keep coming. Y'all can have a bite of my egg. Y'all want it in the Blove sauce? Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Ah. Oh, that stuff I'm dripping. Right. All right, here we go. I have no paper towels. Hold on again. Okay, I grabbed two. I broke my tripod clip. I put that inside another clip video, but I don't know. I thought I'd say it again. That's why my angle is not as good as they would like it to be. Ugh. Yeah, look. I'm gonna turn down the TV because the girl's not paying attention to it. No eating crayons, Winter. Anyway, let me get into the soda. Went down too fast. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, wait, it's bad. Anyway, let me get in here. Like, I'm telling you guys, the onions is my favorite part. No eating the crayons, Winter. And Blove sauce. What's up, Winter?
No, what do you want, Bayo? No.
Oh, quiet, go. You wait. Don't be mean to your sister. Okay, yeah, just get it back. I'm hungry right now, you guys, so. Because after this, we're supposed to be going to, I'm going to try to go let them see Santa Claus. At, at Walmart. And then I went to a Christmas party. And if you want to check that out, go check out my other channel, Crazy Mama's Girls. I'll be doing the vlog on that over there. And I don't promote that page like I should. Really promote it. And I guess it's because I put most of my majority of my work into this one. Because I done had it for longer. And I'm just the one to this one. Ooh, look at that. But you know what? I'm doing this channel, mainly eating channel. I might post some of those videos on this channel sometime. To think about it, I probably could go back and take all my old videos from my other page and save them because I don't know how else to get to them. But there might. I just don't remember how to get into my account. I don't remember the password. I don't even remember the email address. But I can still see the page in the video. I might have to go in the kitchen and get some more sausage. Let me tell you, that was very refreshing and good. Like, I wasn't even expecting that because I wasn't even really paying attention to like me dumping this into the Blove sauce because usually I just eat it plain. But these cucumbers are good in the Blove sauce. Yeah. I tried to make it spicy, but it still didn't come out spicy. So, cucumber seed. I had about 2 glass bowls a while back just to do mukbangs so y'all could see the sauce and so it looked better. But my 10-year-old broke them all. I don't know if she clumsy or what, because she gotta be. Let me tell you why. This week, my husband has these thermals, ROTC or RCT. I don't know. Even though if it was ROTC, that'd be cool. But I don't think they are. Anyway, some name brand thermals. She broke one. He was like, well, I got one more left. He waited 2 days before he took it out. We made him coffee in it. Ooh, coffee or chocolate latte. One of the hell. He's coming home from work. And my daughter went to get a paper towel. Now, she said she didn't see it, which at the same time I believe is impossible, because as soon as you walk in the kitchen, you can see everything on the counter, and that was on the counter. She broke that cup. Now, when I say broke, she broke like the lid. Because, excuse me, the lid's plastic and everything else is like metal. That's why I don't buy any glass container. Well, not glass. That's why. Go to the potty. Quarterly. Quarterly. Anyway, that's why I don't buy anything glass. The only thing we got glass really are these plates and a couple of bowls, but we have plastic bowls as well. Because she broke all the glasses. Like, I know we used to break stuff when we was little, but dang. I might have to go back and get some more onions, you guys. You want some rice, Winter? She don't like nobody put anything to her mouth. And I think it's because of medicine. First she used to take it, but now she's like, heck no to the no, no, no. Heck no to the no, no, no. That's what she say. I was thinking about that movie, House Bunny. When she was on the date, and she was trying to be cool. No, she was trying to be smart. So she started talking about American Idol, and no, you don't want to eat that. Crap. She started talking about American Idol, talking about I go with whatever Paula says. Randy, I really go with what Randy and Paula says. That's Simon, he's mean. I don't know, I like that movie. It's funny to me. Ugh. What is this? My Anyway. It was mean too. Maybe it was funny to me. And the part when she goes out on a date. The first time and the second time was the funniest part of the movie. What are you doing, Winter? I have to eat some egg. Here you go, baby. Winter. I feel like flooding the plate with salt. The plate with salt, so I won't have to keep on getting my hands dirty. Imani, what are you doing? You just smack up some eggs on your hand. Imani! Let me see his channel. Eggs are good for you. Imani? What are you doing? Okay. I can't get everything out I put in there. Crap. I ever do something crazy, y'all. I just do everything in here. Crap. Look, she over here just playing with the eggs, y'all. She just smashing them just because. Let's see. You okay, baby? What's wrong with your poo? Oh. Oh, my head. Yeah, I want to poo. Oh my gosh. You ever getting, I mean, you're really getting everything in one bite like this, you guys. Alright, you guys. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you like the content I'm putting out on this channel. Yeah, join the treats. Join the sweet treats gang, guys. How about that? How about that? Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah, join the sweet treats gang. Yeah. I'm so silly. But, you know, everybody got join this gang and stuff like that. Yummy Bites TV. So, you know, she got her Yummy Biters. You know, everybody got their own little gang going on. So I'm going to say join the Sweet Treats gang, you guys. With Eats and Treats with Eugenia. Bye.